from Off-Leash Canine Training, and here we have Dunkin. Dunkin comes here with minimal obedience. Mom rescued him. He's got a pretty gnarly scar on his back from whatever happened before this poor guy met his mom. She's done a great job with him. He's super fun-loving, goofy, spaz, likes to run around, loves to play, yeah, loves to play. I mean, kind of just thrashing around today up in the woods and jumping in the water. Ow. Dude pulls like a freight train, but he's super lovey-dovey, super fun. Just doesn't like to listen. He likes to do his own thing. I've seen him get stubborn with me just asking him to sit or down. He will do it, but not when he wants to and when he doesn't want to. So he's a sassy little boy, but in the most fun you could possibly have with a dog. Not my normal aggression cases. But I want you guys to check back in a short couple of weeks and just watch this dude succeed in life. Ha! Yeah!
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
To finding out where I'm headed now, looking for a sign of disaster, so I can make it there faster. I'm weighing the consequences out. I can see in all directions. It's all open to interpretation, but I see colors that are breaking from the other side, the other other side. When I make mountains out of summer trails, when I buckle under all the details, I'll keep going till I make it to the other side, the other side.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Can you tell me the secret of how you can take it or leave it?
Soundstripe.
How you can blend in with the crowd. I'm so scared, so damn afraid to look. I'm so sick of talking. I'm wearing the words out, words out. I can see in all directions. It's all open to interpretation, but I see colors that are breaking from the other side, the other side. When I make mountains out of summer trails, when I buckle under all the details, I'll keep going till I make it to the other side, the other side.
Soundstripe.
When it feels like everyone's out to get me,
Soundstripe.
I see the river on the back of my eyes. I can see in all directions. It's all